Building a high-intent keyword list with AI support is one of the smartest ways to boost your SEO and drive more traffic. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick, actionable guide to help you do exactly that, using AI tools that can take your keyword research to the next level. Stick around till the end, because I'll show you a unique opportunity to get an exclusive free trial to one of the best AI-powered keyword research tools, only available to my viewers. To start, let's define what high-intent keywords really are. These are the keywords people search for when they're ready to take action, whether that's buying, signing up, or engaging with your service. You want to target keywords that show clear intent because they're the ones that'll bring you the most valuable traffic. Now, let's dive into the process of building this list with AI. First, you'll want to leverage AI's ability to generate keyword suggestions based on your core topic. You can use AI tools that can analyze search trends and competitors to give you real-time insights into what keywords people are actually searching for in your niche. These tools help narrow down the long list of possible keywords to the ones that are most likely to convert. Once you have your AI-generated keyword list, focus on filtering out the ones with the highest search volume and lowest competition. AI tools are great at identifying keyword difficulty, which helps you avoid wasting time on overly saturated terms. The AI will provide you with data on search volume, cost per click, and keyword difficulty, critical factors in finding the right keywords. Next, analyze user intent for each keyword. AI can also predict whether a keyword is transactional, informational, or navigational. High-intent keywords are those most likely to convert into sales, so filtering out the informational or navigational terms can save you a lot of effort. Another AI benefit is its ability to help you cluster keywords into groups. This clustering ensures that you're targeting a variety of related terms under a single theme, increasing your chances of ranking higher. AI can automatically organize keywords into topical groups, saving you time and helping you spot patterns that might otherwise be overlooked. Let's talk about competitor analysis next. AI-powered tools can scan competitor websites and extract the keywords they're ranking for. This is a great way to find high-intent keywords that your competitors are targeting, so you can either target the same ones or identify gaps in their strategy where you can capitalize. Once your list is ready, prioritize the keywords based on relevance, intent, and competition. It's a balance. While you want high-volume keywords, you also need to ensure they align with your specific business goals. Remember, AI can speed up this process, but your strategy should always be grounded in what makes sense for your audience. A key takeaway here is that AI can dramatically improve the speed and accuracy of building a high-intent keyword list, but it's important to filter and prioritize keywords with a smart, strategic approach. Focus on keywords with strong user intent that align with your business objectives. To wrap up, you want to use AI-powered keyword tools to generate suggestions, filter based on search volume and competition, analyze user intent, cluster related keywords, and analyze your competitors. This method will give you a high-intent keyword list that's ready to convert. And before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only to my viewers, to get started on building your high-intent keyword list today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.